Namaste everyone, welcome back to Jyovis. Today in this video I'm going to talk about hair fall from an Ayurveda point of view. I'll be discussing about the causes of hair fall as well as the treatment as per every single cause. At the end of this video I'll be sharing one internal treatment and one external treatment that will help you in decreasing your hair fall step by step, and the process will begin from the first week itself. Right from the first week you'll start seeing its results. But to understand about the treatment you need to know a concept that I'm going to talk about in this video. So to have complete information on this topic, make sure you watch this video till the end. So basically our body is made up of 7 tissues, which is known as Sapta Dhatus in Ayurveda. It is Rasa, Rakta, Mas, Med, Asthi, Majja and Shukra. So these are the 7 body tissues. Whatever food we consume, it is divided into 2 parts, Sar and Kitta. Sar is the useful part, the nutritious part. Kitta is the wasteful part that is eliminated out from the body. So to understand this concept of how our dhatus get nourished, we have to understand a theory which is Kedari, Kulya, Nyaya explained in Ayurveda. So let's understand this theory. Take an example. Let's imagine that there is a well over here and there are certain farms over here. So this well is the ahar ras, it is the sar bhag, it is the nutritious part. And the farms, these are the dhatus, rasa, rakta, mas, med, asti, majja, shukra. So just how the well gives nourishment, gives water supply to the farms one by one, similarly this ahar rasa provides nourishment to our dhatus one by one. First our rasa dhatu gets nourishment. Once there is proper nourishment of this dhatu, then there is rakta, mas, med, asti, majja, shukra. This is how the tissues of our body get nourishment. So basically as per Ayurveda, hair or Keshya is a upadhatu of Asthi dhatu. The overall nourishment of the bone tissue gives rise to good hair. So stronger the bones, stronger will be our hair. But not just the bones, but the overall nourishment of other tissues is equally important. And the overall nourishment of all the dhatus can be best achieved by Rasayana therapy. Rasayana therapy is basically a treatment that kills disease, it promotes life, it increases the digestive strength, it improves immunity, and it has a lot of other benefits as well. On an average, a human head has about 1 lakh hair follicles, and losing about 100 strands a day is absolutely normal. But beyond that, it is diagnosed as khalitya in Ayurveda, which is hair loss. So firstly, when a patient walks in and complains of hair loss, an Ayurvedic doctor tries and understands the root cause of the problem. Why has the hair fall begun in the first place? And only according to that the treatment is done. Then it is followed by Nadi Pariksha, wherein an Ayurvedic doctor understands more about the prakriti of the person, the body type of the patient, and accordingly the treatment is given. So let us understand the causes one by one and the treatment accordingly. Number 1, it's hair loss because of low digestive strength. Good digestive strength and metabolism gives nourishment to the overall body tissues. If there is a nutritional deficiency, hair loss is anyway going to be there. So if low digestive strength is one of the cause, then an Ayurveda doctor plans for Lepan Chikitsa. Lepan Chikitsa means such kind of herbs or such treatment that increases the digestive strength of the person, which further benefits in cases of hair fall. Number 2, hair fall due to stress, anxiety or depression. If this is the cause, then an Ayurveda doctor plans such kind of a treatment that increases the sattva gun of the mind. There are 3 gunas, sattva, raja, tama. So such herbs that increases the sattva and decreases the raja and tama gun, wherein he gets the best results for stress as well as hair fall. There are a lot of medicines and a lot of Panchakarma treatments indicated for stress. Number 3, it's hair fall because of polycystic ovarian syndrome and hormonal imbalance. If this is the cause, then such treatment is planned which corrects or regularizes the menses of a woman and corrects hormonal imbalance. She gets benefits, for hair fall as well. If the cause is a scalp skin infection, then definitely hair loss is observed. Hair loss is definitely there. If this is the cause, then a doctor advises or prescribes some potent blood purifiers. In our previous video of Khadir, we spoke that Khadir is one of the best blood purifier. It's one of the best herb for your skin. You can simply prepare a decoction of this herb and start consuming it on regular basis. The next cause, if it is because of hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism, then accordingly the treatment is planned. One of the best herb used in cases of thyroid is Kanchanar. So basically how you can use Kanchanar internally and externally, wherein you get the best results for thyroid. We'll be talking about this in one of our future videos. The next cause is hair fall due to iron deficiency. If this is the cause, then anemia treatment is done. So similarly, the treatment is done according to the causes. Definitely in this video, I'll be sharing one internal treatment and one external treatment wherein you get the best results for your hair fall. So let us begin. Let us first talk about the external treatment. I am talking about Rad Tel. Rad Tel is basically, it looks like the color of a ghee. I have a sample of Rad Tel. It is extremely thick, it is sweet in taste, it is off-white in color as you can see over here. Rad Tel is made up from the resins of sal tree. Sal tree is known as Shala in Ayurveda. So from the resins, this oil is prepared, this oil is made. It is available in lot of brands. You can just get into any of the nearest Ayurvedic store and purchase this oil. You can take any brand and make use of this oil. The best way to use this oil is to apply it on one night, keep it overnight. If it's possible for you to keep it the next morning, if it's a holiday, the next entire day, do it. If it's not possible, then wash it the other night itself. If it is possible to keep it the entire day as well, then keep it throughout the day, and next night when you go to sleep, just add some more oil and wash it the next morning. So doing this at least once in a week will give you best results in cases of your hair fall. Your hair volume will also be increased. You will see the results yourself. Just in case if Rad Tel is not available, then what? Is this video going to go waste? No. If Rad Tel is not available, then you can take Malatyadi Tel. Malatyadi Tel extremely useful in cases of premature baldness, hair regrowth or excessive hair fall. Absolutely any brand, you can get it anywhere. So you can make use of this oil. Whenever the hair regrows by using this oil, there is a stimulation felt on your skin. So Malatyadi is also helpful in such cases. Once again, if Rad Tel and Malatyadi both are not available, because in a previous video there were some comments where people commented that what if this is not available, our time has gone waste. So let me tell you, if Rad and Malatyadi not available, you can simply make use of one of the most common oils that are available in the market, that is Brahmi Tel, Mahabringraj oil, or there is Chandanadi Tel. All these oils are equally beneficial. So that was about the external treatment. Let us talk about the internal treatment. I am talking about Rasayana Churna. Rasayana Churna available in a lot of brands. You can take any brand. Consuming 1 teaspoon 2 times a day, morning, evening with half cup of warm water, extremely beneficial. It basically has 3 ingredients: Amalaki, Guduchi, Gokshur. About Guduchi, we've spoken everything in our previous video, how it can be useful for yourself, for your children, for your parents. Definitely you can watch that video, link in the description box. Amalaki, about Amalaki, Acharya Charak explains in Charak Samveta Sutrastan 25th Adhyay as Amalaki Vayahsthapnaman Srestha. That is the best anti-aging herb present in this entire world. It's Amalaki. Amalaki known as Avla. The third one, it's Gokshur. It's very famous by the name of Gokru. It's very useful in the bodybuilding industry. So Amalaki, Guduchi and Gokshur, you can consume this powder separately as well. You can take 50 grams, mix it and use this powder just in case if Rasayana Churna is not available. Let me tell you, internal external treatment along with this, you need to have an integrated approach and a positive mindset to get the best result at the earliest. In our very first video, I've spoken about 5 essential nutrients to stop hair loss.